how to set app notifications to allow sound and vibration or silent on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. After that, tap on app notifications. Then in here, go down and tap on one of the apps. So here I'm going to tap on messages. Then in the alerts section, you can tap on allow sound and vibration. Or if you like, you can set it to silent, which will still allow you to receive notifications, but it will be silent instead. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.